Soon the Constituent Assembly of India afforded Dr. Ambedkar the opportunity to give the most notable and permanent shape to his social philosophy and to his undying faith in the dignity of human beings. Baba Saheb was not in the Congress, but it must be said to the credit of the far-sighted and objective leadership of the Indian National Congress that it requested Dr. Ambedkar to serve on the drafting committee of the Constituent Assembly and made him its chairman. As I said, you all children. So, what happened here? When he contested in the election, he got selected and even he became the chairman of the drafting committee in the Constituent Assembly. So, what was his major contributions to the nation is including fundamental rights, okay, in the Constitution of India. As chairman of the drafting committee, Dr. Ambedkar anticipated every conceivable requirement of the new polity. So, here, as being a chairman of the drafting committee, children, he had to anticipate every conceivable means he had to think, understood, requirement of the new polity. As I told you all, requirement of a new polity in the sense it is a particular form of government. Polity means what? To form a particular government. Drawing from the examples of an experience of other nations and the distinctive needs of our own society. So he had to raise everything brick by brick, children. Step by step he had to move. The magnificent edifice which now stands as the fundamental rights in the Constitution of India. There were, of course, other luminaries on the committee like Alladi Krishnaswamy Iyer, K.M. Munshi and Gopal Swami Iyengar, who also made vital contribution to the process of constitution making. So later on what happened, children, here? His major contribution to the nation is including fundamental rights, as I told you all, in the Constitution of India. Along with other luminaries like Alladi Krishnaswamy Iyer, Munshi Premchand and Gopal Swami Iyengar. He made vital contributions to the Constitution, and along with that, what did he do? He had to, but if there is one person who will be remembered as the pilot of the various provisions of the Indian Constitution, it was surely that is Dr. Ambedkar. So, here it devolved on Dr. Ambedkar to explain to the assembly, children, with a combination of tact and frankness, the utmost patience. So, later on what happened? Here he says that not only this, even with the patience, the meaning and scope of the different provisions of the draft constitution, he had the rare gift of unraveling the most complicated legal concepts in a language which the layman understood. Dr. Ambedkar, aided by the indefatigable constitutional advisor B.N. Rao, performed this task matchlessly. So, along with other luminaries, what did he do, children? He made vital contributions to the constitution with the help from B.N. Rao. He was able to explain complicated legal concepts to laymen in a simple language. So, here the simple person, the layman, we call him as a person like how in the sense who were not able to understand. Okay, so this type of simple person made understood that what was, and here who is like explains in a neat or in a very low manner. In that way, B.N. Rao also even had to face this task along with B.R. Ambedkar. Now, children, we can have in our class a detailed explanation. Once again, I am going to do here like this is up to here. So, as I told you all, this I can give you a neat description there. So, I can stop the lesson here, children. Have a nice day. Enjoy. Stay safe. Stay at home.